Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the some MCQ questions from the introduction chapter, that is economy in the microeconomics. The first question, which of the following is not the concurrent with the problem of choice? And your options are A. Excess income, B. Alternative use of resources, C. Ultimate wants, D. Limited resources. Your answer is A. Excess income. Second question, the principal characteristic of resources are A. They are scarce in relation to our needs, B. They have alternative use, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Your answer is option C, both A and B. Principle of characteristic of resources are they are scarce in relation to our needs, and B. They have alternative use. Third question, in which of the following situation does scarcity arise? The options are A. Supply of resources greater than demand for resources, B. Supply of resources is less than demand for resources, C. Supply of resources equal to demand for resources, D. None of these. Your options is B. Supply of resources is less than demand for resources. Fourth, economic problem arise due to the fact that options are resources are scarce, B. Human wants are unlimited, C. Resources have alternative use, D. All of these. Your answer is D. All of these means economic problem arise due to the fact resources are scarce, human wants are limited, and resources have alternative use. Next questions, the resources for satisfying human wants are options A. Limited, B. Unlimited, C. Unavailable at zero price, D. None of these. Your option is limited. Now sixth question, scarcity of resources exist. Options are A. At the micro level, B. At macro level, C. Micro as well as macro level, D. None of these. So option C is the right answer. The scarcity of resources exist at micro as well macro level. Seventh, the example of microeconomics variable is A. Wholesale price index, B. National income, C. Market demand, D. Aggregate demand. Your option C is the right answer, market demand. Now eighth question, issue related to unemployment are studied at the options A. Micro level, B. Macro level, C. Micro as well as macro level, D. None of these. Your answer is B. Macro level. Ninth question, positive economics involve statements which are A. Verifiable, not verifiable, C. May or may not be verifiable, D. None of these. Your options is verifiable. Now 10th question, statement which does not offer any suggestion is known as A. Positive statement, B. Normative statement, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Your option A is the right answer, positive statement. Now 11th, normative economics deal with facts, B. Opinion, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Your options B is the right answer, opinion. Now 12th question, which of the following is the example of economic activities? First, production, B. Consumption, C. Exchange, D. All of these. Your answer is the option D, all of these. Now next question, who control economic activities under the centrally planned economy? The options are A. Industrialist, B. Private firm, C. Government, D. Consumer. Your option is option C is the government who control the economic activities under the centrally planned economy.